Tingnan natin ang manok. Otse lang! Oo na, oo na. Gutom sila guys. Oo. Ha? Isog-isog kita na ng isa ba? Ang sabong ni Guroy. Ang latoy? Oo. Lara na sila. Dami. Oh my God. Pero ako magbubod, be. For today's video.
Ito,
Wait lang. Guys. Eggplants. Eggplants. Many eggplants, guys. Look at that. Eggplants. Here. And, sorry. We have calamansi. Calamansi, guys, for cooking. You can also make calamansi juice. Okay. This farm is my Uncle Bonbon. Uncle Bonbon's farm, guys. So he is the owner of this farm. We don't have calamansi in the farm. Wow. Look at that. Calamansi. And they have also string beans. String beans, guys. Free veggies from the farm. Over there. Wow. It's 5 p.m. here, guys, so a little bit dark. Look at that. Wow. Nice. Nice. Wow. And then they have also upcoming small string beans and more calamansi trees. So that's the advantage, guys, if you are living in the countryside and you know how to plant a vegetable, so you can have this for free and you can also sell it. But even if it's not that expensive, but at least after you grow your plants you can have free money, but it's not that much, but at least it's added to your income. Wow. Before, my mama, she do planting, veggies, many, but because she's busy taking care of my nephew. Wow, my God. Many fruits, many string beans, guys. Look at that.